Hi, I'm Alexandria, and this is Love Natural Living. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to be healthy and living naturally, then you're not alone. We're here to break it down, make it simple, and help you truly love natural living. Today's topic is on hydration, and that's something I've been working on for a really long time. So in this episode, you're going to meet my naturopath boyfriend, and he's going to share with us one effective hydration recipe.
Hello, I'm Dr. Patrick Love. I'm a naturopathic doctor and chiropractor in Spokane, Washington. I've practiced for 10 years now at my clinic, the Wellness Tree Clinic, doing IV therapy, pain management, hopefully pain cures, so some regenerative medicine techniques, acupuncture, herbal medicine. We have some different machines and modalities that we get to play with, laser therapy. One of the things that comes up daily, consistently, is hydration. Hydration seems to be one of the building blocks to health. In naturopathic medicine, we call them determinants of health. These are the things that add up to, are we well and feeling well and energetic, disease-free, or are we run down, tired, diseased, or worse? So hydration is key, we find, and chronic dehydration seems to be a bigger problem today than possibly in the past for various reasons, but it's something we want to get right. It's something we need some different solutions for. I find some days my body likes different kinds of fluids. Sometimes electrolyte powders do sound good, but sometimes they don't. And we haven't found the recommendation of 8 glasses of water or drink a few gallons of water a day very effective at all. In fact, that can make some things worse and stress the kidneys a little bit. So we need some different tricks. One of my favorite herbalists, Susan Weed, introduced me to the concept of nourishing herbal infusions a long time ago. I think they're one of the more effective hydration strategies out there. One of the plants we love to start with is stinging nettle leaf. Stinging nettle leaf is a nutritional powerhouse. It's almost a complete food. It's loaded with potassium and calcium and magnesium and silica and chlorophyll and trace minerals, vitamin K, vitamin A. It really is a superfood. It's one of 5 or 6 different types of infusions you can make, but we find it's one that will consistently build your adrenal glands, significantly build your energy. And clinically, I've seen an improved kidney numbers numerous times. So even stage 3 and 4 kidney disease numbers on functional lab medicine evaluation moving to normal range. So we know it's nourishing the body, our cells, in the right way. It's one of the practices I'd encourage you all to try on a weekly basis and see how you do with it, and let us know. Certainly people have used it for bone density with some success, skin improvement, hair, skin, and nails. Certainly cases of anemia have improved with it. Not all of us eat our vegetables and salads and as much as we should, and sometimes that's for good reason. Digestively, we may not be there yet. So drinking these nutrients is another effective way to get them in. It tastes a little like dirt. It doesn't taste great, but poured over ice, it's not bad, and you will find your body almost craves it a little bit at a certain point. So it really is from the earth. It's very nourishing. Hydration is something that it's a little hard to track. A lot of people think they're well hydrated and they're not. And part of that confusion is, does drinking pure water hydrate you or dehydrate you? There's a weird phenomenon. The more water you drink, certainly the more you urinate, but the more water you have to drink. So is it dehydrating you or is it hydrating you? What I find when I drink stinging nettles is I need less fluid, less often. It seems to stick with me longer, stick with our cells longer. And remember, when we're hydrating, we need to get the water inside our cells, intracellular hydration. We don't just want it to flush through us. So the nutrient density in the nettles is what helps that delivery intracellularly. We'll show you how to make it today.
If you enjoyed today's episode, we would love for you to subscribe. We would love to share more recipes with you, take you behind the scenes, and show you more of what Dr. Patrick Love does in his clinic. Hydration doesn't need to be extreme, it just needs to be consistent, and that's something I'm learning along the way as well. I hope this recipe helps and gives you something new and exciting to try in your wellness routine. We'll see you next time.